Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty, and I hope you guys are doing great. Well, it's a little late this evening, but again, my mail lady is a little bit slow, but I did get a box, and here it is, and it's all in holiday wrap and all. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing good. So what have you been up to? Have you been working, or have you just been relaxing, or what are you doing? Are you doing Christmas shopping, holiday shopping, anything? So I'm just curious, put the information below and let me know how you're doing and how the weather is. I'm always interested in knowing, how cold places are. I know we have beautiful wildflowers in Massachusetts, and we're in Michigan and Arizona and in all Florida. Louisiana. So I know we're all over the place. And also we have wildflowers in India and Canada and Pakistan. So I know you guys are all over the place. So things are, I'm sure, different everywhere. But anyway, I find that so interesting. So without further ado, though, let me just not get carried away. I'm just going to keep talking. Don't let me forget this box. So anyway, let's see what this is. I actually just received it, and it's kind of late this evening. I've already recorded a video for you guys, and it was the one with a, let's see, oh yeah, the editor palette. Yeah, that's why I look like a little bit of a mess now that I took off the eyelashes, and I was getting ready to kind of like, turn in for the night, and I said, you know what, let me just get this open. So anyway, without further ado, here we go again. So, let's go. Okay, I like how they ship this. I think this comes from not America. I think this might be British thing, right? England? Because it does come from, no, it comes from New York, but I thought it was an international package. But it's nice that they put on here that, fragile. Fragile. You guys ever seen Christmas Story, the old movie with, what's his name? Gavin. I forgot his last name, but he's gone now. But anyway, he gets this package in the mail. It's a huge crate. And he says, it's from Italy. Look at this, fragile. And his wife says, honey, I think it says fragile. Anyway, okay. All right. Okay. Here we go. It's the Chic Beauty Box. And so this is actually a beauty box that comes, I believe, every other month, and it's $34.99, I want to say. But again, you know me and the prices, so I'll put the proper, if that's wrong, I will go ahead and put the proper price on the, on the label. On the label? No. On the screen. Okay, so anyway, let's get going. Oh, is this taped? No. Okay. Oh, it's a special edition. I wonder why it's special edition. Oh, maybe because it's the holidays, but I know it's not an extra box or anything like that. Okay, Chic Beauty Box. I think that's why you see all of this nice holiday decoration here. And it's red. And let's see what it says here. And there is a card. And let's see what the card says. Chic Beauty Box. Oh, and this is a November-December box, so it does come every other month. And the last one must have been the September-October box, yes. And so how this comes is you get to choose what you want primarily, a couple of things in a box. But the problem with this company with me is that they never let me know. So again, I missed the choice, and it's every 2 months. It's not like I'm looking for it every month. And finally, by the time I saw it, all the things that I would have chosen was gone. And of course, in the back of it, it tells you everything that could possibly be in the box. And it does give you the variations. There's a variation number 1 and variation number 2. And I don't know how they do that. If they're, I guess so. If you don't get, if you don't choose this specific one, you end up getting this one, then rest of it is like, yeah, you're going to get what you get. Okay. So that's okay. It's all right. Let's see. let's get started. First of all, what did I get? Okay, well, this is not bad. This is Too Faced. And this is Hangover Good to Go. And this is hydrating, lightweight, sun protecting SPF 25 moisturizer. Hey, I like it. I'm not heard about that. I definitely like this. Huh. So it is by Too Faced, and it is a hydrating, lightweight SPF 25. And you know me, I love SPF, so I'll take it. I'll try it. And let's see, do we have a price on this? We do. Too Faced Hangover Good to Go SPF moisturizer retails for $35. Nice. Wow. And let's see what it looks like inside. You know, it says fragile, but it's kind of beat up, this box. Maybe it got beat up before it got in here. Okay, so it looks like this. And let's see what that looks. Oh, looks okay. It's one of those pumps. You know what? Since I'm going to use it because I love SPF, I will go ahead and pump this. Hello. Okay, here it comes. Okay. And let's see. Okay. Let's see if I'm going to rub this in. I can tell you right now, this is not a complete mineral because it would leave a mineral. I don't know if you know this, but a mineral SPF will leave a white cast. And here it is. So, oh, it's nice. Oh, this is actually very nice. It's kind of absorbed it already. You're kidding. Let me take a look here. Huh. Yeah, it says apply prior to sun exposure. Use 3 to 4 pumps directly to clean face. And what does it say here? Yeah, definitely will be used. I'm trying to see where is the active ingredients here. Okay, I will have to, definitely not mineral sunscreen. This is a chemical sunscreen, which is fine because, you know, I think I've mentioned this before. As far as mineral sunscreens, they pill sometimes when you put it on with any kind of foundation or anything like that. So I always like it like this. This will definitely get used, and I will give you an update on this product because it does make a whole bunch of claims on the side of it like a lot of the Too Faced products do. And so it says it is 97% smooth. 95% of the people found it, they had healthier skin after using. And 95% of the people said it was hydrating. And 90% said it was absorbed quickly. And 90% said it gave a glow. So we'll see. We'll take a look and see if this is definitely the case. Okay, so let me not get hung up on product number 1. Hold on. Okay, the next one. Oh, looking good. Yves Saint Laurent. What is this? Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, this is not cheap stuff, you know. What are you? Oh, it looks like, is that lip gloss? It is, let's see, Tatouche Couture. Oh, that's the name of the color. So it looks like it is Doll Kiss and Blush is what it says. Yves Saint Laurent Baby Doll Kiss and Blush. So in other words, this is probably going to be a blush. You can use it as a blush or on your lips. Let's see. I will, since I will use this, I will. Oh, this is interesting. Look at the paddle. It's like a plastic. It's not. Is it? I think so. Hold on. Let's see. Let me. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Actually, I like it. Look at this. Very nice color, and I think this is for lips as well as cheeks, so it's a multi-use. I always like multi-use products if I can get it. And so what you would do is you would kind of put this on your cheek and pat it, and so I'm going to do that. Oh yeah, this is nice, especially on top of the sunscreen here. Take a look. You see? Can you see that? This is a very nice tint. I will definitely use it because in the winter I'd rather have a tint. So that way it doesn't look patchy. So let's see. Yeah, this is very nice. Okay, and that is $40. I don't know if I mentioned that, but that is $40. And next we will go with the Round the Clock 8 p.m. Bare Minerals Intense Cream Eyeliner. And this looks like is that black? Let's see. And this is retails for $17. So, I don't think, is it? Oh my God, that is pigmented. I barely touch myself. It is black, but look at this. Oh my. This is very nice. So, does it? Yeah, seems to be okay. Very nice. I'm happy with that. And next we have okay, looks like what is this? A brush. Okay, and this is Maybelline Face Studio Contour Brush, which retails for $10.99. And so, how do you get this out of here? Do you just pull it apart? Oh, yes. Okay. I didn't know they have brushes. Maybelline, they have brushes. Okay, I do not know how to get this out. Okay. I don't want to break it, but okay. You know what? Maybe I'll cut the top. Hold on. Okay. Here we go. This is a contour. It says it's a contour brush. Very interesting, but I like it. I like the way this feels. It feels very solid. It's soft, but solid. Look at this. It's like, oh, very interesting. Very interesting, but it's nice, and it's by Maybelline. And like I said, it retails for $10.99. Didn't even know they have brushes. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put this into my little brush cup. And next, we have, I think this is the last thing, yes? Yes, and this is NYX Off Tropic. And it says it's an eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $20. Okay. Oh, it comes magnetic. Nice. But look how pretty this is. Isn't this pretty? Okay. Oh, wow. Look at the cut. No mirror, but that's okay. But look at the color on this. This is so bright. Wow. Okay. This is very nice. And it's got a plastic over it, so it's nice and, you know, it doesn't, yeah. Oh, and I love these colors. Look at this orange, and then this is like kind of orange. I don't know. Looks like orange soda to me, with sparkles. Yeah. So this is really nice, you know. But I'm not going to swatch these because I think I will be putting this in the giveaway. I'm almost sure of it. Yep, I will be, because there's these colors I do have in my Natasha Denona palette, the Sunrise palette, and the Sunset palette. These are like all of the colors. And so I will put this in the box for the giveaways. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it for the day. And that was a total $122.99 was my variation, which is variation number 2. And if it would have been variation number 1, it would have been $125.97. But that's okay, because by the looks of the stuff on the other side, I really wouldn't have wanted anything different. So this is okay. This is very good. And so let's just recap really quick. First, I got the Hangover Good to Go SPF. And then I received the Round the Clock 8 p.m. Bare Minerals eyeliner. And then I also received the Yves Saint Laurent Lip and Cheek Stain. And then Off Tropic Eyeshadow by NYX. That was it, right? Oh, and then, of course, how can I forget? Come out of there. Is the brush from Maybelline. This is really nice, actually. So, okay. So, not bad. I'm happy with it. So, anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. And hopefully, if you're interested in it, I will leave the link in the description box. And if you have any questions, leave them below. And if I added any value, please hit like as usual, because it really, really helps me out. It just takes a second. Please just click that like button if you did like it. And also, if you would like to subscribe, and I would advise that you do, because we have so much fun here with the beautiful wildflowers. And also ring that bell button so that way you'll know every time I upload a video. And so, my beautiful wildflowers, please take care of yourself. Do well, stay healthy, keep that mask on in public, Keep that 6 feet social distancing. It's not going to last forever. Just hang in there, okay? Hang in there. Keep your chin up, okay? And there's an end to this sooner or later. So, my beautiful wildflowers, as I always remind you, please don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.